Dynamic Jams, DJ Shawai in the house. Dynamic Jokes, Dynamic Jams, DJ Shawai in the house. Bringing you some music and some jokes. This is one of my theme songs right here. I love this one because it seems like they're calling my name in it. Come on out. Special shout out to all true friends. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Belated birthday to all those who celebrated a birthday. Come on. Get real. This is Shawa. Don't try to stand in my way. You heard when he say Shawa, DJ Shawa in the house. Come on. DJ Shawai in the house, joke of the day. So I heard today's this week is National Snoring Week. Have you have a snoring experience? So joke of the day. Years back, I was working at as an EMT, and we got snowed in, so there was no way for us to go out. So all the trucks got snowed in. We're at the base, so you say we're gonna sleep at the base. I started other EMTs, other paramedics, they all around in the big hall. I started snowing begin. I wake everybody up. The men went and took the called the BVM mask what we can use for breathing to resuscitate. The men put it on my nose. The Thursday are gonna stop me from snowing. It made my snowing even louder. Dynamic Jams, Dynamic Jokes, DJ Shaw in the house. Bringing you some music right now. You know you're a bad snorer when you catch yourself snowing. This day I was sleeping. I said, so I was sleeping. I heard snow in the background, right? I like myself. I like, who's snowing like that? So I woke up. I look around. Nobody. I was all by myself. I'm like, damn. You know you're a bad snorer when you're in your sleep and you catch yourself snoring. That's real bad, right? Dynamic Jams, Dynamic Jokes, DJ Shawai in the house. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time out there. Come on now. Dynamic Jams, DJ Shawai.